Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. We've got some Tomica Ferraris here, three basic ones or main lines and one premium one. So I ordered these in Japan and at a website called Hobbylink Japan. They have great prices and shipping is reasonable, to Europe at least. So we're going to take a look at these, and then at the end of the video I'm going to compare them with some other brands I have, other diecast brands that do these Ferrari models. So here's the first one, the Enzo Ferrari. Doesn't say much on the base, doesn't even say the name. 1/62 scale. So these have suspension as usual with Tomica. You can see the Scuderia badge on the side. That's cool. A little bit of window trim also here. In the back, the taillights seem to have a different color red than the rest of the car. So that's a nice detail. Got the grille painted black and the Ferrari emblem. Big diffuser here, part of the base. And the front we got plastic inserts for the headlights and the Ferrari emblem. Cool. You can see a little bit of the interior and of course the engine. Cool. Then next up the 488 GTB. Is the Ferrari official product sticker on the boxes. I think they are able to do these thanks to a partnership with the Meister, I believe, or the Meichong group. So this one also does not have the name on the base, just 1/62 scale. Also has suspension, but very little suspension, but that's okay. Again, Scuderia badge. This one has inserts for the taillights, that's cool. Can you see that? That's awesome. The Ferrari name. Ferrari badge, and again diffuser and exhaust part of the base, and inserts for the headlights, Ferrari logo. Again, interior is hard to see being black, and the engine. Cool. And then we got the La Ferrari. It says the scale on the boxes too, by the way. So they are all in 1/62 scale. Don't know why they choose that scale. Maybe that way they fit in the boxes best. I don't know. So here it is. Again, no name on the base. 1/62 scale as we already seen. Got the same details as the other ones. This one has a little bit more suspension. This too has the lensed taillights. Again, very cool. And everything else, well, there's a little difference here. There's less base here in the back. It's just this diffuser part, but everything else is part of the metal casting. That's cool. So you got a lot of black paint for the exhaust pipes and for the grille in the back and this bumper piece. So yeah, very cool. It has way more metal on it, and it also has the plastic taillights. Cool. And then again, this top is plastic, so they compensated that with more metal in the back, it seems. That's cool. Something Hot Wheels would never do. Very nice. And then of course the nicest one of them all is this premium version. So they also have a TLV version of this one, but you know, that's pretty expensive. So I'm not going to spend that kind of money on a die-cast car. If you want to, that's fine, but it's not for me. It's the 246 GT Dino. I like these premium ones very much. They are very nicely done and their price is still affordable. So they have authentic rims. 161 scale this time. This does have the name on it, Dino 246 GT. So 2.4 liter 6-cylinder. That means a lot of metal also. Here you can see all the metal, painted metal on the underside. So very cool. So no Scuderia badge on the side. There's some black stuff here that I think is not supposed to be there. Yeah, that's not supposed to be there, so I will have to see if I can get that off. That's a bummer. Not used to seeing flaws like this on the Tomicas. All the Tomicas I had so far were absolutely perfect, spot on. Nothing wrong with them, but this one even got some stuff on the wheels. This one did suffer some dirt. So suspension also very nicely done, detailed rims. Got the painted taillights. Does this open up? No. A lot of details here, the exhaust and the bumper and stuff. Yeah, it's very nicely done. The name on the back. Got the Pininfarina badge here on the side. I think it is Pininfarina. Could be Bertoni too, but I'm not sure. Nice window moldings all around. And of course a nice interior. Very nicely detailed seats. Yeah, nice one. Look at the shape of the rear window too. Very particular shape. Very nice model. Got the lensed headlights. Yeah, very cool. Love it. So let's do a little bit of comparisons with the other models. I don't have another Dino by any other make. I do have these. So this is the Tomica, this is the Burago, and this is also Burago. So this is the 3-inch Burago and this is a 2.75-inch Burago. So you can see size wise we know that these are pretty big and the 275 are a little bit smaller. So the Tomica fits right in, I would say, size wise. If you look at them like this, you see it doesn't differ that much with the 3-inch one by Burago. Now all of them have got a little bit of boring wheels, we have to admit that. From afar they look okay, but you know, up close you can see they are, yeah, not that great. So looking from the back, I think these two have pretty much similar details. This one is a little bit less detailed. And then you got the 488 GTB. So here's the Tomica. Again, size-wise, I think it's like this. Burago 2.75 Tomica, and then the Burago 3-inch. Looking at the sizes, you see Tomica fits right in between. Again, rims okay, but not really wow. The 2.75 Burago does not have an interior. So here's the backs again, the cheapest one, less detailed. This one earns an extra point for the plastic inserts for the taillights, of course. For the kind of money these cost, they should have plastic inserts too, but unfortunately they don't. And then the last model I have 4 examples of. Unfortunately 2 are not red but gray. So we got a Hot Wheels 2. So size wise I think we're about here. So smallest one, the Burago 2.75, then the Hot Wheels, then the Tomica, and then the Burago 3-inch. So here's the fronts. Of course, Tomica earning extra points for the plastic inserts. And then the back sides. This one has a surprisingly large amount of metal in the back. This one is also pretty much all metal in the back, but it's more painted, more detailed. That's why it seems it's plastic, but it's not. It's very comparable to the Tomica, by the way. So the only piece of plastic on this one on the back is the diffuser thing. The rest is metal also. And here we got way more plastic on the Hot Wheels, but of course Hot Wheels is the cheapest one here. So of course again extra points for the plastic inserts in the back. Very cool to have a nice collection of Ferraris. Put them all together here like that. They fit the screen, but of course this one is way better and nicer than all of the ones in the background. I think you will all agree on that, or not. That's up to you. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.